Hello everyone, this is Dmitry from Galileosky. In this video, we'll talking about the tracker remote configuration service. This service allows you to manage your devices remotely, and it's not just limited to changing settings. With the updated remote configuration service, you can create a structured management system for all your trackers, and the role system allows you to grant access to individual groups of trackers or management functions to your employees and customers. To access the service, you need to register. Launch the configurator and go to the All Devices tab. Click on the Register button and fill all fields in the form. After confirming your email, you can start working with the service. Please choose a more complex password. Please be careful when entering your email address. You will receive an email with a link to confirm your account. After confirming your email, you can start working with the service. If you already have an account, you just need to enter your login details on the All Devices tab. If you are sure that access to this computer is only available to you and people you trust, you can check the box Save your login and password. In this case, configurator will use your credentials for logging in. The link configurator.galileosky.com makes logging in to the service available from your browser. At the time of recording this video, there are following features in the web interface. You can view the structure of your tracker groups, get information about a specific tracker, register devices or unregister them. The file storage is also available from the web interface. You can view the list of files, upload new file, or download an existing one. In your profile, you can manage accounts as well as provide access to your trackers to the Galileosky technical support team. There are the same features in the configurator, so let's go back to it and explore our features in details. So, now you have access to the remote configuration service. On the left side there is the device group 3, and the right side displays the list of devices and controls. The device group 3 allows you to distribute trackers in the way that is convenient for you. For example, you can group the devices by the companies you work with. Next, you can divide trackers into each company group by the type of the equipment they are installed on, or by the area of operation. I recommend spending some time organizing the folder structure, as this will make searching for the device in the account easier, but I'll talk about that little later. Now that we have a folder structure, let's start filling our groups. You can add devices to groups one by one as your fleet of vehicles expands. To register the tracker, just enter its IMEI, password that is usually the same as the IMEI, and the name of the vehicle for easy identification. You can also allow other clients to add a tracker to their accounts using a password. If you need to register multiple trackers at once, you can use a pre-made CSV file. There is a hint about the correct file structure right in the device group registration window. IMEI of each tracker must be in the new line. The password and the name of the vehicle must be separated with a semicolon. Select the file with the list of trackers and click the Add button. If there are no problems while adding, all trackers will appear in the selected group. However, it's quite common that some trackers are already registered to other account or already exist in your account. In this case, you will see an error report with the IMEI and a short description of the issues. You can save this report to the file. After fixing errors in the file, you can re-upload it to the system. Now all the trackers in the selected group are available, and you can see them in the main part of the window. There is a list of IMEI, object names, tracker models, the number of commands waiting, firmware versions, and the last time the tracker connected to the remote configuration server. Trackers marked with the green dot are currently online. Click the left mouse button on the device IMEI if you want to connect to it. After connecting to the tracker, you will see the current data on the device tab, and the settings tab will initially display the last cached tracker settings. Cached parameters are marked in blue. Those settings were saved on the server when you last time connected to the tracker remotely. This allows you to view settings quickly without waiting for the current values to load. It's possible that some settings have been changed through USB or SMS commands since then. That's why we recommend downloading the actual settings from the tracker before making any changes. To do this, click the Load button or Load Everything button. Actual parameters are marked in green. After changing settings, do not forget to click the Apply button to make all changes take effect on the tracker itself. So, today we learned about the new remote configuration service and its tools. We will keep exploring new features in the upcoming videos. That's it for now. That was Dmitry from Galileosky. See you later.